Hey, so how I ended up ultimately tackling this project was I wanted to use Windows Movie Maker. I know it doesn't really, it's not compatible with a lot of computers now, and I had a lot of trouble. I had to upload to YouTube, it didn't work, Venmo, it didn't work, so I actually had to end up doing a screencast. That's why I put the YouTube link into there. So, I don't think I would use this again just for that reason. However, it did work pretty well for everything else. What I ended up doing was, taking the videos on my iPhone, and then I downloaded them through iCloud, and I added the videos, and then I just went into the folder, and I uploaded them, and then I added a narration over a lot of the videos, and to do that, all I had to go to was record narration, and then record, and then you could just put it here. And then, if I click on it, there's like options, so if you wanted to end it early, you could click on the time and you could do that. And then, I did end up adding some pictures as well, and that was fairly easy as well. Whoops. All I had to do, I don't know if you could see it. Hold on a second. There we go. All I had to do was hit home, and then I did the same thing like I did for the videos. I just clicked, added it. And then for captions, all I had to do was click caption, put the text in, blah blah blah, and then it just worked. I also had credits, which I inserted at the end, which I just did by clicking that. And then, you could add music, so I added music. I had ended up downloading a couple free songs that I had gotten. I think it was called Bensound. So it was free, and I could upload it to YouTube without there being any copyright issues. So all I did was just went there, clicked on the file, and it just added. It didn't add there because I already have it, but... And then animations, I didn't use that many. I used one, I believe here, if we watch. Yeah, I used just one, because it ended up being kind of hard because it would take time out of one of the videos, and it kind of interrupted what I was saying or what someone else was saying, so I didn't want to put that many. So I just put one in there. And then I used a visual effect in the beginning, which I just clicked on here, picked out the effect that I wanted, which ended up being just white and going into the video. So I clicked that on there, and that's how I did the opening. And that's pretty much it. I mean, to trim the videos, all I had to do was click this. It was fairly easy to just toggle and trim the video. Like I said about the start and end points, you just click it, click where you want it, and it would let you start or end. You could end the video, the music, or the narration, because there's options for all of those. Music, I had to adjust the music volume and the narration volume. It came out okay, but it did vary throughout the whole documentary. But I did have to go in and just adjust it and make it sound okay. And the same for the narration. And whenever I needed to, there were points where I had to split up the music to make it softer when a video that I had recorded was playing. So for that, I just went to music, split, and it just split it up into two, and then I could go to volume and make the volume louder for one part and softer for another, and it just worked better that way. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And say credits, captions. Yeah, it was pretty simple. But I don't think I would use this again just for the reasoning of it being hard to upload. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.